So first, I want you to grab a notebook, any notebook, and once you're done, so you can pause this video, grab your notebook. Once you're done, I want you to take your right hand, place it on your heart, and take a deep breath in, and slow exhale. And think of something that makes you feel this feeling of love in your heart. Good. Now I want you to ask the question, what is one thing I want to experience in 2026 that would really bring my heart to life? That would really spark so much joy in my heart, in my life, that I just cannot wait to experience it. What is that one major, massive goal? So I wrote in my notebook, I wrote the goal, strong, loving, global YouTube community. So that's my goal. Now I'm going to give you a minute. So I've put 1 minute on the clock. And in this minute, go ahead and write out what is that goal that's bringing your heart to life. Go ahead and write that down now. And I want you to think through your heart, not your mind. Let that desire just come up from your heart. Beautiful, you're doing great. Don't think, don't worry, just write. You don't need to know how, just write. Okay, that was 1 minute. Okay, good. Awesome. So now, in case we haven't met, my name is Kartika Nair and you're watching SynchroShakti. I help people create harmony within themselves and their vibration towards all areas of life so their life reflects that. The second part is you're going to ask the question, what are 3 things I can write down that describe my life if I actually had that desire manifest? So if that desire manifested, what would my life look like? So here's what I wrote for what it looks like. I recognize thousands of names on each video. So on the comment section, I recognize thousands of the names because there are people who are recurring, coming back for every video. So it's a beautiful, strong community. They support each other in the chat. So I see the students or the community members of this YouTube supporting each other, whoever have questions or need help. I see them also sharing their learnings from the video, so they're sharing their notes. I see them sharing their wins in the chat, so whatever successes they've had, they come back and share it in the chat. That is what it looks like. It also looks like these are people who value inner work. Now I'm going to give you 90 seconds on the clock. In this 90 seconds, I'm going to continue to bless what you're writing. So you will feel this energy, hopefully, through the screen because I'm sending it. I'll also give you a few cues. So now we have 1 minute and 30 seconds. Go ahead and write out what does it look like for you to have this experience in your life. So really put yourself in that reality. Look around. Who's there? What is happening? What do you feel? What do you smell? What are you wearing in the vision? Be like a kid. Like, don't worry about why is it possible or not. Just be like a kid and write it down. You all deserve the best life, so create it. Get very clear on what it looks like. You're doing beautifully. Wonderful. So 90 seconds isn't enough for me, so you can just pause and take your time to finish the exercise. Now we're going to look at the next question, which is belief. Belief is that big missing piece for a lot of people. Why is it possible? So you are now going to write out 3 reasons. Now after this video is over, you can continue to write 30 reasons if you wanted to convince yourself why it is possible for this experience to happen to you guys. So here's what I wrote for why is it possible. So I wrote, to have the strong, loving global YouTube community, it is possible for me because a lot of people have already felt connected to this energy since throughout my career, because I'm very inspired to reconnect with the audience. Now, inspiration is like a bat signal. If you feel inspired to do something, that means there's someone in the world who is praying for that very same thing to do it. It's possible because I absolutely love seeing people thrive and their whole family. So it's like that one person is doing well, they affect their parents, they affect their kids, so that whole generation does well. And anything where I have feel so deep love about, love always magnetizes and manifests in my life. So now I want you to think. I'm going to give you 90 seconds. Take your time. You can pause this video to go ahead and write out why it's possible for you. I'll give you some prompts for this to happen in your experience. It's possible because you've already been supported so much in this universe. So universe continues to support you. It's possible because you have a human brain that can do anything. It's possible because you have so much guidance in this universe through videos, teachers, books. Everything is possible. It's possible because you're the chosen one. You're the blessed one. You just have to see it. It's possible because the divine is hearing you right now when you're writing this down. And prayers are always answered if sent from that pure frequency. I love what you're writing. Well done. Good job. Okay, so that was 90 seconds. Now you can continue, pause this video and continue. Okay, now we're going to the next exercise, which is worthiness. Worthiness is the next piece of that block. Something is not happening in your life. It's usually because you don't feel it's normal for you. You don't feel worthy of having it. So today we're going to ask the question, what are 3 reasons? You can write 30 if you wanted to. What are 3 reasons why I'm worthy of having such wonderful things happen to me? Why am I deserving of this to happen to me? Here's what I wrote for why am I deserving. So I wrote I'm deserving because everyone born in our universe was born worthy. It just comes with the territory of being born on this planet. Secondly, the fact that I want to love and I want to take care of people shows that I'm worthy, because if I have the desire, it's not everybody's desire to want to have something like this, but the fact that I have the desire means I'm worthy of experiencing it. Third one, I have a lot of love in my heart to give, and if there's love to give, there's love to be received, so that's why I'm worthy. Why are you deserving? So we're going to again do 90 seconds. I will continue to bless what you're writing through the energy I'm sending and also give you some prompts. So let's go ahead and do right now. Okay. You're worthy because you're here in this video, doing the work towards it. You're worthy because you're a beautiful soul, and what benefits you benefits the world, because when you're happy, you make the world happy. You're a beautiful soul. You're doing great. Keep going. I like how you're thinking. I like what you're writing. Keep writing. And you can always ask me in the chat if you need any help. Okay, awesome. I always attract winners. So if you're in my experience, you're going to win. I want you to write out in the chat now, what is one reason why you felt it was possible for you to experience this in your life, and write out what is one reason why you're completely worthy of having this experience. Type it in the chat. I'd love to bless that also. I'm back on YouTube. I'm fully connected back. So I'd love to connect with you and what you've written. So go ahead and write that. And now we will, after you do that comment, we're now going to the next exercise. So I told you love is a manifesting energy. Whatever you produce pure love towards is going to come towards you. So not the doubty energy or mixed energy, pure love energy. So now we're going to tap into that by asking the question, what do I love about having this desire? What do I love about having this? Let's say your desire is financial abundance. What do I love about having financial abundance? I love the feeling of support. I love that expansive feeling when I look at my bank account, the numbers. I love having this wonderful stock profile. I love helping other people with my money. I love taking my family on amazing vacations. So now I'm tapping into the feeling of love. 3 things I love about having it is, I love the feeling of the channel feeling like home. So when you have this beautiful community, to me that channel feels like home. So I love the feeling of being at home with all of you. I love the feeling of connecting with beautiful people. This is my 15th year on YouTube, and over these 15 years I met such beautiful people. I love that feeling of meeting wonderful people, and so that is what I love. Next one. I love watching people and their families thrive, because what ends up helping you will help your kids, will help your grandparents, will help everybody, because your vibration will make a difference in their life. So I love that feeling of seeing students thriving and doing really, really, really well. I love it. So that feeling of love is what's magnetizing that happening in my life. So now I'm going to give you 90 seconds. Take as long as you need. In this 90 seconds, I'll continue to bless what you're writing and also give you some prompts. So here we go. 90 seconds. Go ahead and write yours. 3 things you love about having it. Maybe you love about being a success story on this channel. Maybe I'd interview you. Maybe you love the feeling of all that joy in your heart now that you're experiencing this beautiful reality of 2026. You love the feeling of freedom it gives you. Do you love the feeling of happiness and seeing other people around you also happy? Maybe your kids are joyful. I feel that love. You're doing very, very well. Do you enjoy the shopping? Do you enjoy the hiking, the travel? What do you love? Taking your parents on a world tour? Amazing, feels good. If you felt the feeling of love while writing this, just type love in the chat. This is just for me to understand how many of you are truly feeling this exercise. So go ahead and type love in the chat. Okay, good. So now we're going to sing your 2026 into life. Remember, music is a drug. It affects your soul, it affects your cells, it affects your mindset, it affects your vibration. So I want you to bring up the images of what you just created today and truly feel it in your body. But first, we're going to start creating the beat. So I want you to clap along or snap along, and let's create that beat together. So here we go. 1, 2, 3 and 4. And 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now I live my best life. Your turn. Now I live my best life. I feel divinely satisfied. I feel divinely satisfied. And now I have my biggest smile. Your turn. Now I have my biggest smile. My life is truly amazing. My life is truly amazing. Sing together loudly. Are we ready? Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I live my best life. I feel divinely satisfied. And now I smile my biggest smile. My life is truly amazing. Do you feel it? If you felt it, type in the chat saying, I felt it. Well done. So now I just want to also say that if shifting your life in the next 6 months is a very important goal, I'd also like to do one more additional thing for all of you, is invite you to my class. It's a very, very special. It's the best class I've ever created. It is 2.5 hours. It's called How to Change Your Life in Less Than 6 Months. It's all about healing. It's all about creating the best version of yourself. It's all about not forcing positivity and not doing 5 AM routines, but doing 3 different type of frameworks that's going to make a huge difference in your energy and the life you create. If that's for you, find out more information below. This is coming up very, very soon, so don't skip this. Go check out that class. It's live. Find out more information below. Now that you've put the song, you've felt the song, you have put all of this together, you can do this whole exercise one more time for any other goal that you have for 2026. You can also do this whole exercise one more time for the very same goal, but do more reasons. So instead of 3, add 10. Instead of 10, add 30. The stronger you believe, so the more you believe it is your destiny, it is possible, the more you believe you're absolutely worthy of it, and the more clear you get on what it looks like and feels like to have it, and all the love that you feel towards it, now you're in the vibrational match. And if you can do this every day, if you want to come back to this video every day and redo it as a 30-minute exercise, come back every day and redo this. By the time we are at 2026, you're going to have magnetized your wheel. Karma is a wheel. When the wheel is spinning strongly, it has its own life and it will just continue to be that way. You don't have to put in so much effort to push the wheel once the wheel has its own energy. Right now, we're pushing the wheel to build that momentum. So once that momentum becomes strong enough and you're doing it every day, watch and look at what 2026 will bring, and you will come back to this video and you will type your wins below. I hope you've had a good time here hanging out with me, and if you like this kind of stuff, go ahead and subscribe. If you want to dive deeper into a long form in which I can guide you, go ahead and check out our upcoming class, web class called How to Change Your Life in Less Than 6 Months. It's my most favorite class. It's the most, I can't put in words. I love you. I appreciate you. Thank you so much for being here, and I'll see you in another video. Namaste.